Good morning, children. Welcome back to St. Joseph School, Vijaypur. In previous videos, we are completed two lessons in our social studies. Second semester, two lessons already we all completed. In 11th lesson, we should be skipped and directly we should start our 12th lesson. We have to be start our 12th lesson. Cities of India, Delhi and Mumbai. Now, in videos, we have to be start a new lesson. Lesson number 12. Cities of India, Delhi and Mumbai. In this lesson, we shall study Delhi and Mumbai are two major metro cities of India. In this lesson, we shall study about Delhi and Mumbai are two major metro cities of India. Delhi and Mumbai are two major metro cities of India. Which are the two major metro cities of India? Yes, Delhi and Mumbai. First we start about Delhi. Location of Delhi. Delhi is situated in the northern part of our country on the banks of river Yamuna. Delhi is situated in the northern part of our country on the banks of river Yamuna. It shares its borders with the states of Rajasthan in the west, Haryana in the north, and Uttar Pradesh in the east. Yes, Delhi is located on the banks of river Yamuna. It is the border of with the states of Rajasthan in the west, Haryana in the north, and Uttar Pradesh in the east. Now we have to be read about state bird of Delhi. Sparrow is the state bird of Delhi. Which is the state bird of Delhi? Yes, sparrow is the state bird of Delhi. Delhi government declared the house of sparrows the state bird of Delhi. Here in Delhi, so many different types of sparrows are lived. So the state government declared the state bird is sparrow in Delhi. Climate. Delhi has an extreme climate with very hot summers from early April to until July. Delhi has an extreme climate. The city experiences hot dry winds called Lu. During the summer month, winters in the are bitter cold and the winter season in Delhi begins in mid-December and goes until mid-February. Children, in Delhi, when the summer is start, too much hot is there, and when winter is start, too much cold is there. So the city experiences hot winds are called Lu, and the Delhi climate has an extreme climate. Delhi has a rich and glorious that we see through its numerous monuments as well as its articles marvels. Life of Delhi. People living in Delhi belong different cultures and traditions. Food items such as aloo tikki, seekh kebab, and a range of parathas are a favorite with the people of Delhi. In Delhi, people are living in different types of cultures and traditions. And also food items are such as aloo tikki, Sikh kebab and parathas are favorite with the people of Delhi. Important monuments. Rashtrapati Bhavan, the official residence of President of India. The Rashtrapati Bhavan is the residence of President of India. It is situated in New Delhi. It also has one of the most beautiful, well-maintained gardens of India, the Mughal Gardens. This is the Rashtrapati Bhavan, President of India, who is the President in India. He is living this Bhavan, and the most beautiful Mughal garden is also there. Parliament or Sansad Bhavan, the House of Parliament or Sansad Bhavan, is an important office of the central government. This is the Parliament or Sansad Bhavan. This is the important office of the central government. India Gate. This modern monument is located on Rajpath, the royal path that leads to the president's residence. An internal flame called the Amar Jawana Jyoti burns here in memory of the thousands of Indian soldiers who have laid down their lives for their countrymen and their beloved motherland. Here the India Gate. This is the India Gate. It is in New Delhi. So many soldiers are laid down their life who are believed the motherland. This is the code of Amar Javana Jyoti. The an internal flame called the Amar Jawan Jyoti. Next, Delhi, a rich and glorious historical destination. Delhi has rich and glorious historical destination. First one is Red Fort. The Red Fort is one of the most important monuments of the Indians' national heritage and was built by Emperor Shah Jahan in 1648. The Diwan-e-Khas and the Diwan-e-Am are where halls where the emperor held meetings with the nobles and the public respectively. On every Independence Day, 15th August, the Prime Minister addressed the nation from the Red Fort. This is the Red Fort. Red Fort was built by Shah Jahan, Emperor Shah Jahan in 1648. Here the meeting halls are Diwane Khas and Diwane Am are the meeting halls with the public respectively. On 15th August, the Prime Minister hoists the flag on the Red Fort. Next one is Qutub Minar and Iron Pillar, named after Qutbuddin Aibak, who built it in 1199. The Qutub Minar is situated in Mehrauli in Delhi. It is the tallest stone tower in India and it is 73-meter high. Iron Pillar. This ancient monument was built by in the 4th century in memorial of King of Chandragupta II. Qutbuddin Aibak was built by Qutub Minar. He is a Qutbuddin Aibak. He built the Qutub Minar in 1199 in Delhi. This is the tallest stone tower in India. Which is the tallest stone tower? Yes, Qutub Minar is the tallest stone tower in India. Iron pillar was built by Chandragupta II. Iron temple was memory of Chandragupta II. This is the iron pillar. Next, a tourist delight. Jantar Mantar built by Raja Jai Singh of Jaipur in the 18th century. The Jantar Mantar is abstractly a place that has facilities to study the sun, planets and other natural phenomena with sandal. This is the Jantar Mantar. This is the use of study of students, the sun and planets. It is built by Raja Jaisimha of Jaipur in 18th century. Next one is there are so many national tourist attractions are there in Delhi. First one is Lotus Temple, Aksharadhama Temple, National Museum, Zoological Park, Gandhi Memorial, Lodhi Gardens, Nehru Planetarium, Shankar's International Doll Museum. These are the places to visit that make Delhi a favorite tourist destination. Lotus Temple, Aksharadhama Temple, National Museum, Zoological Park, Gandhi Memorial, Lodhi Gardens, Nehru Planetarium, Shankar's International Doll Museum. These all are the famous tourist attraction in Delhi. And now we shall study about some famous personalities from Delhi. Some famous personalities from Delhi. First one is Kiran Bedi. She is a IPS officer. Kiran Bedi is the IPS officer. Shah Rukh Khan. He is a Bollywood star. Shah Rukh Khan is Bollywood star. Virendra Sehwag. He is a cricketer. Virendra Sehwag. He is a cricketer. Chetan Bagayat. Chetan Bagayat is the author. Captain Anuj Nayyar, Army officer. Captain Anuj Nayyar, Army officer. Kushwant Singh, he is author, also he is a lawyer. Sanjeev Kapoor, Indian chef. Next one is Ajay Devgan. He is also a film star of Bollywood. Sunil Kumar. Sunil Kumar is the wrestler. Next one is Sarfdar Hasmani. He is the writer. These all are some famous personalities from Delhi. Some famous personalities from Delhi. So children, see once again these all videos of Delhi and read the textbook